The 2025 Ford Bronco Base trim is making a comeback. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Though it's a late availability model, it promises exciting features. Available in 2-door and 4-door versions, it boasts a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine with a 7-speed manual transmission. Expect standard features like LED headlights, 16-inch steel wheels, and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster. The Sasquatch Package returns for 2025, adding rugged flair to the Bronco Base. It includes 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels with 35-inch rugged terrain tires, high-clearance fenders, and Bilstein dampers. Electronic locking differentials and tube steps enhance off-road capability. It's a great upgrade for those seeking adventure. While the base trim returns, Ford is discontinuing 4 other trims: Black Diamond, Wildtrak, Everglades, and Heritage Limited Edition. It will also come with electronic locking differentials front and rear with a 4.7:1 gear ratio. It will also come from the factory with tube steps installed. But where Ford giveth, Ford also taketh away. While not necessarily due to Ford bringing the Bronco Base back for 2025, there will be 4 fewer trims available. The Black Diamond, Wildtrak, Everglades, and Heritage Limited Edition are all gone for 2025. The Strapa Special Edition replaces Wildtrak, but its production volume remains uncertain. Additionally, 2-door versions of Big Bend and Heritage models are gone, leaving fewer 2-door options for 2025. The 2025 Bronco Base starts at $39,890 for both 2-door and 4-door models. Other trims like Big Bend, Outer Banks, and Badlands see no price changes. The Strapa Edition is priced at $77,530, while the Raptor remains at $91,930. Ford offers new appearance packages, including a matte paint wrap option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.